Hi friends, welcome to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. Today I'm sharing one of my shopping hauls from January. We'd gone over to Dollarama, which was in Woodstock. I love shopping at Dollarama as well as at Dollar Tree. I love that the quality is good, and I also love the fact that the prices are incredibly low. But all said and done, I don't ever remember leaving any one of these places with anything less than $20 to $40. So I think that's quite addictive going to these places for me at least. Hello friends, welcome back to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. Um, this is my first video of the Dollarama shopping haul of this year, 2021. Um, it's it was just fantastic because we went over to a place called Woodstock because my son had an appointment over there, and in this little city in Ontario. And lo and behold, right behind the cardiologist's clinic who was a Dollarama. And you can't stop somebody like me going and having a peep. This time, however, the peep landed up costing me quite a bit. so let's get on with it. What all did I buy? Some of the things that I bought from there, of course, are the ones that we don't get in the kitchen at Dollarama. So I really was very happy about what we found there. Let's start with these. These are adhesive film. You can see that. It's almost like pale gold. It's not very striking, and it was for $3. And then I've always been wanting this marble adhesive sheet. We found it. We couldn't find any of these over here in Kitchener, so we found these for $1.25. So I took 3 of them since I'm not going to go all the way to Woodstock just for these. And then these I really liked are the printed jute roll. See from close, you can see this one is a stripes, horizontal diagonal stripes, and this one here $3 again. Got these lovely white patterns on it, flowery patterns. I went and got a whole lot of, I have some ideas for these. I have seen one of my co-friends having had done something similar with these styrofoam balls with different sizes. So I've got 3 different sizes over here of styrofoam balls. And okay, next we got these jute rolls. We do have, I have a lot of these sizes and then a lot of the smaller ones, but I didn't have this size, so I was really happy finally to have got this size, and I've bought 3 of them. I'll just keep these back. So I bought 3 of them, and they were all for $1.50 each one. Was also very happy to get these skewers. I have got skewers, but I've been using a lot of skewers, so it was okay to pick them up. These again are jute ribbons, but they have this really nice kind of border with it, floral border. So I've got these also for $1.25, 2 of them. This one I got for the house, which is like the adhesive that you get to place under the rugs or to place under the sofas. So I've got this for the sofa cushion. Actually, it's a bit pricey, $4, but fair enough. I have boys in the house, and when the boys get onto the sofa, they tend to kind of drag it down, and this would help us there. Of course, I do have one of these. I have bought one of these earlier as well, but I bought a second one as well, also a jute kind of, but it's stiff so that it can kind of sit on the edge of, say for instance, I have a round box like this. It would be able to sit on the edge, so that that way. Yeah. I just got one of these colors. It's dark brown, and I'm hoping, almost like chocolate brown, and I'm hoping that I can kind of use this to stain objects with a little bit of water along with it. glue tack for $1. And then I got these, this is the glue tack. And then I got these magnetic strips. There are 4 in them, I think, or 2. Yeah, there are 4 sheets in them, and really nice stuff. It's the stiff one, not the flimsy one, you know. So yeah, I have some ideas in my mind for these sticks, but I want to use them to create stuff, you know. So I bought them as well. We don't have these, of course, at this side, neither at Dollar Tree, neither at Dollarama. So Dollarama, which is over here. So I picked 3 of them, three different sizes, dimensions. And I also got these long stirrers because Valentine is around the corner. I bought this, but I don't think because it does not sit with the decor of my house. So I probably have to paint it white at some stage, gray or white. That's that. And I got some of these stickers. It's the rub-ons. You know, it's got quite a few in there. Can never have enough of these. Last not least, these sheets. Sparkling stickers. These are actually the one where you can also stick this on any of the jars and stuff as well, you know, the glass, like a glass bottle like this, you can stick them up there as well. So this is more of copper, and this one here is metallic gray or silver. So that's that. So yeah, this was it, my first shopping haul of Dollarama. Very excited, very happy, and I want to get back to immediately start using all of these. So yeah, right, so before we say goodbye, I hope you will subscribe to my channel and like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, please write back in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.